okay? Just hang on a second, don't pull your back out, just get out. Leave it. I could pick it up that way. Second time I went down. I don't know what happened there, dude. I just didn't want to hit this thing. My bike's stuck in a tree. Bike is coming out of there. And we are getting on the road. Enough of this messing around. So it's a good thing we got everything we need. Let's see.
Your bag's up against the tree.
Well, yeah, this is
right.
The top stuff. Yeah, can you just pick that up as I go forward?
Yep.
Just pick it up and just push it all the way. Slow.
Hey, hold it. It's not going to go. You can back it up now. I'd go back. I'd back up. Cut your wheel. Okay, now go. You want me to get in front and push?
Dude.
Hold on.
Hold on, I got it. Just get a fucking hole over here.
Okay, I know.
Ah, shit.
I'm here. Okay, now you got the bike and I'll try to get that bag. There.
Back up. No, we're going back in the hole.
Back, dude. Back. Okay, now straighten it up. Straighten the bars.
I can't. Okay, I got it.
Okay, stop.
Alright, I can't let go of the clutch, dude. Fuck.
You have to do that.
Well, I gotta put it in.
Well, shut the bike off, first of all.
Starter button.
Okay, now stop.
I got it. Bike is out of the tree. Better.
Yeah, let's shoot out to these ruins and see what they look like.
Awesome. Alright, now, what I thought was a good idea, to soften the suspension a little bit, I don't think we'll have any more problems.
I don't know if you want to soften it, you might want to stiffen it with that load.
Well, the problem was, I bounced into there and launched back here.
Yeah.
And if it had just, and then I realized, why is my suspension so tight? As I narrowly missed the tree. But it's just been adjusted.